In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create form for website in GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll have a clean working form you can use on your site or inside funnels. Start by signing into your GoHighLevel account and opening the location where you want the form to live. From the main dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and open Sites. This is where all web assets live, including funnels, websites, and importantly for today, forms. Click Forms to enter the form builder area. Next, choose to create a new form. You'll see options for how to begin. First, click Start from Scratch to preview a blank canvas. This gives you total control over layout and fields. If you'd like to explore pre-built layouts, you can also click from Templates to browse options designed for common use cases like lead capture or appointment requests. Templates can save time, but for our walkthrough, we'll keep it simple and hands-on. Switch back and choose Start from Scratch for this example, then click Create to open the builder with your new empty form. Inside the builder, you have quick ways to add fields. Click Quick Add to drop in common items such as name, email, phone, or a message field. This is the fastest way to assemble a basic contact form. Next, click Add Object Fields to pull in standard contact fields and any custom fields you've already defined in your CRM. Using object fields ensures submissions map correctly to your contact records, which is key for automations and follow-up. Now make your edits and save. Rename labels to match your tone, adjust placeholders for clarity, and set required fields for the information you must collect. Drag fields to reorder them, remove anything you don't need, and keep the form short to improve completion rates. If the builder offers width or alignment controls, use them to keep the layout tidy and mobile-friendly. Consider adding brief helper text where needed, and keep error messages concise so users know exactly what to fix. Give your form a clear internal name so your team can find it later, then save your changes. Saving frequently protects your work as you refine the design. That's it. You navigated to Sites, opened Forms, created a new form, chose to start from scratch, used Quick Add and object fields to build it, and finalized your edits before saving. You're ready to deploy this form wherever you need it within GoHighLevel.